Hello, a very warm welcome to my students here. I hope everybody is safe and sound, keeping healthy and studying as well. I am taking math in grade 5. So as we are doing revision of our first chapter, so in the last class I have completed exercise 1.1 first bit. Let us go to the second bit. What is the second bit here? Draw a place value chart and write the digits under the correct places in each of the following. Okay. So what is the first question here? 9,45,098. So firstly what they are saying, firstly we have to draw a place value chart. Okay. So how can we draw a place value chart? How do we draw a place value chart here? See, this is the place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Okay. Under this chart you have to write the digits in the correct places. Okay. So let us start with here 9,45,098. Okay, so in lakh place I kept here 9, in 1000, in 10,000 4, in 1005, 100 0. There is no number, so here 0 is there, so I kept here 0. In tens 9 and in ones 8. Okay, so 9,45,098. Okay, so like this you have to draw a place value chart and you have to write the digits under the correct places. Understood? Suppose in exam suppose I have given like this 9,45,098. So I will select one number. Suppose I have selected 9, number 9. Okay, so this is the 9 number. Okay, here two sides also 9 is there. Okay, you will be confused. Wait. Okay, suppose I have selected the number 5. Number 5. Okay, I will ask you the question. Find the place value of the number 5. So I will ask this question, place value number for 5. Okay, so how you will write the answer? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. So I will give this three option. Ones, this is first option. In second option tens, in third option 1000, 10,000. Okay, so at which position 5 is there? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. So which is the correct one? 1000. Okay, the place value of 5 is 1000. So you have to write like this, means you have to tick the option like this. Okay, understood? Yes. Okay, now let us go to the third bit. What is the third bit here? Write the names for each of the following. Okay, you have to write the names for each of the following. What is the first question here? 45,890. So you have to write the name for this number. Okay, how you have to write? See here. See here how I am writing this. 45,890. Okay, so you have to write the name. Okay, they will give like this question to you. 45,890. So write the name means how you will write? Firstly you have to count ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. You have to see like this and you have to write this in words. Okay, means you can say the names or words, both are similar. So write the name means you have to write 45,890. Okay, understood? So like this you have to write. Let us go to the next bit. Okay, what is the next bit here? Write the numerals for each of the following. Just now only have explained in recap exercise what is mean by numeral. Okay, once again. So what question they have given here? What question they have given here? Write the numerals for each of the following. 62,75,419. Okay, so how we can write this? See here. Here 62,75,490. So we have to write like this. Numeral means we have to write. They have given in words. We have to write in numbers. That is called as numerals. Okay, So they will give the question like this. You have to write in numbers. Okay. Yes. So with this we have completed our exercise 1.1 revision. Okay. Understood? No? In exercise 1.1 only I have explained these place values. Okay. This is similar to this only. Now we'll directly go to exercise 1.3. Okay. 1.3. Exercise 1.3 also similar. In the following numbers, mark the periods. Just now only I have explained in last classes how we have to mark the periods. Means you have to keep commas after the numbers. Okay. So like that, write the names in both Indian and international system of numeration. You know what is mean by Indian and international system. Yes. See here. So this is the place value chart of Indian system. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So 5 lakh 8,965. So after 5 you have to keep comma. After 8,000 you have to keep comma 965. Okay. And you have separated with periods also. Ones, tens, 100 will come at ones. 1,000 and 10,000 will come at thousands. And lakh will come at lakhs. Okay. Indian system of numeration. Okay. Indian system of numeration. 5 lakhs 8,965. Okay, 5 lakhs 8,965. This is Indian system of numeration. What is international system of numeration here? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Here 100,000. Okay, we will get lakh in Indian system, but here 100,000. Okay, so you have to write in words 500, 8,965. Okay, this is international system of numeration. Okay. This is our first bit of exercise 1.3. In the next class, I am going to continue with the next bit. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you.